Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our BMW Z4, then I'm going to take you for a drive in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a BMW Z4 2.5 23i sDrive, 2011 on a 60 plate. It's got £8,000 worth or thereabouts of optional extras. Has done 59,880 miles. MOT'd until the 5th of the 1st 2021, and it was last serviced on the 25th of the 6th 2009. Fuel economy: urban 23.9, extra urban 46.3, combined is 34.4, 0 to 60 time of 7.3 seconds, top speed of 149 miles per hour out of a 204 brake horsepower 24 valve engine. 6 months road tax is £165, 12 months is £300. It's finished in Havana Metallic, which is an individual BMW paint, and it's also got ivory leather. So it's a beautiful car. As I say, it's finished in Havana Metallic, which is a special order paintwork, and with the ivory leather it looks really, really beautiful. It's my day off today. Not much to do really. We're really busy. We've been selling lots of cars and we're trying to catch up because it's been so rainy and so windy. It's been difficult to photograph them all. So first gap in the rain, I've come in to do this, and it's worse things to do on your day off than drive around in a beautiful car like this, which I get the pleasure of doing. So I'll show you around it. We've got front and rear parking sensors, high pressure headlamp wash, xenon headlights, the BMW kidney shaped grille, the really long bonnet, which is I like. I do. It's anthracite multi-spoke wheels. You've got here the sDrive badge and the BMW there. Power folding door mirrors. Of course, it's a hard top as well, so you can use it in the winter without getting dripped on. It's a really good, as I say, real good specification. So the little stubby aerial there, it's electric boot release. There we go. But otherwise the release is in the badge there. As you can see there, that's got, I'm trying to remember to take photographs of it with all the roof down, but I've got 2 camera bags in there, a tripod, a big coat as well. So there's quite a bit of room. Unfortunately, you can't really get at it once the roof's down, so you have to have the roof up to get your shopping out. The twin exhaust tips there and rear parking sensors in the bumper. You've got the rollover bars there, the mesh wind deflector in the centre there, keep the breeze off the back of your neck. Now for the good bit, I'll just take you for a ride in it. Wild. I'll just put the hood up quick. Unfortunately, I can't go for a ride with the hood down, because when you put the hood down, the windows go right to the bottom, and I mount 2 of my GoPros on there. And anyway, it's foul today. It's unbelievably windy, gale force winds, so it's probably best not to anyway. There we go. So just start it up. It's not the conventional key, it's kind of just a fob that plugs in the dashboard. You see the sat-nav screen come up there, radio screen, information display. We've got a start button there. Here we've got height and reach adjustable steering wheel, and we've got power folding door mirrors. Car's got a really good service history, if I can just read it off this screenshot. 6th of 12 2012 at 12,309 miles, Bateman's BMW Cumbria. 11th of 12 2014 at 21,652 miles, Bateman BMW Cumbria. 21st of 10 2016 at 45,714 miles, Rybrook BMW Shrewsbury. 25th of 6 2019 at 58,712 miles, Arnold Clark Motherwell. Had a new battery then. 27th of 6 2009 it had rear brake pads and discs. So I'll just take you for a ride in it. As I say, it's an individual colour, beautiful colour combination. I don't think I've seen another one in this colour, so you're probably going to be the only one on the road. Mint inside, just as it's come in. I think we've probably given it a hoover out in the driver's footwell. That's about it. All the rest is just absolutely mint. Another fantastic car we've got in. Great specification, as you can see there. You've got the eye control here, your navigation. You can have it full screen, or I think if you press option there, click on split screen, that's showing you now what's playing on the radio. But to be fair, the full screen, that looks a heck of a lot better, really. So we'll have it like so, and then off we go. Great sounding engine. I've had a few of these in my time. Spoiling our ride now. You can, while we're doing this, you can knock the gear stick across there and change up or down. Ups towards you, downs away, or just knock it back in drive. And then you've got the paddle shift here, and they're really nice. The steering wheel's very tactile. Great driving position, and everything is, well, it's perfect for me anyway. The size of my hands, it couldn't be any better. So it's a height and reach adjustable multifunction steering wheel. We've got the all-important heated seats here. And it's got a pretty good turn of speed, I'll tell you that. We'll get round here, and then once I get the wheels straightened up, I'll boot it. Here we go. Careful not to go too fast. That sounds pretty good, to be fair. You've also got your selector here. You can have normal, sport. Let's just see. So that's in sport. You hear it rev more straight away. And then you've got Sport Plus. And I think, yeah, Sport Plus knocks your traction control and stability off, so we don't want that. There we go. So just everything's to hand. It's all nice cabin, this kind of dark wood. I'm not sure what it's called in here, but in Mercedes the wood like this used to be called something like Zebrano trim. And here we go. Now that does sound good. It really does. So we've got Bluetooth audio streaming as well, Bluetooth hands-free, electric door mirrors. We'll just test them, knock that over there. The problem with cars that have been driven by one person for a long time is things like the mirrors tend to seize up through lack of use. There's no reason to set them again once you've done it, unless they get knocked. So nice front central armrest here. Power socket is that USB and auxiliary in. Got electric handbrake, the eye control system here. With front and rear parking sensors. This car has had a private plate on, and when the owner came to change it, he changes his cars quite a lot. He's an absolute fanatic. Only buys mint cars. Saw a car an SLK we'd got for sale on the internet, fancied a change, and that was it. So it would appear he's got his number plates. He has them on Velcro. Anyway, one of the Velcro tabs has come away, and the number plates just moved away, and it's the parking sensor is catching or has got it in its view and beeping occasionally when you go to reverse or anything like that. So we'll sort that out. The vehicle's lovely. I'll just actually turn the radio up. The sound system is great. There you go. The new James Bond theme playing off my phone there. Just make sure and turn it down completely. And then you've got telephone there. You've also got the menu. Let's just go down to settings, control and display, time, language, lights, door locks, software update. Go back. Onboard computer there. Journey computer. Gearbox is, apart from the engine note changing, you can't feel a thing. It's a great gearbox. This driving position does make me want to drive faster than I should do, and the car makes me want to drive faster than I should do, because it's raring to go. Just slot in here. We're so very, very busy at the moment. If you watch our YouTube channel, that's really taking off. We're quite short of stock. We're struggling to buy cars to keep up. We do have a part exchange valuation page on our website, GG Cars. You can get a price from us, and you can get a price from We Buy Any Car as well. Should you be dealing with another garage and you're trying to get a better price, I can't promise we'll buy everything. We won't. We only buy proper cars with full service history, nice bodywork, things that we'll be able to stand behind. So if you've got a car like that, try the part exchange page. If you want to sell it, try our part exchange page. And worst comes to worst, you will get an idea of how much it's worth, even if you're going to buy a car from somewhere else. On the website also, you can arrange your own finance from our shop. There's loads of stuff for petrol heads and people like myself who gadget freaks, like cameras. There's links to cameras. We will make a small commission if you do buy anything, but the things aren't any dearer than you would pay anywhere else. It just helps us run this channel. Let's just get around this corner. There we go. Kick down. And we're always behind something. At least he's got the good grace to get out of the way. And no lights change. When you consider it's got £8,000 worth of extras, and the car now is £10,000, it's really good value. Thought he was coming through then. It gets away so nicely, and it's not too bumpy, even though it's a proper sports car. Just letting it run away with me there, going too fast, which I don't want to. I'll indicate so Milado's not technically undertaking me. Right, now if I can just get this down a little bit. There's nothing behind me. Here we go. Boy Racer. And then it's got a long MOT, so there won't be anything wrong with the suspension, but this is a good test. Can't get too far over, it's too much water. There we go. Yeah, no knocks. No knocks, creaks, groans. This is a very bumpy road here, especially when it's a convertible, because it certainly brings out any scuttle shake you have, any flexing in the chassis. And you are bound to get more, but with the steel top, when it's fastened especially, you stand half a chance. That's superb. Honestly, great example. It looks absolutely beautiful. Was it? I'm struggling for Havana Brown Metallic. I was going to call it Cuba Brown, which I suppose is technically the same thing, with the ivory leather, anthracite wheels. It looks $1 million. It really does. So I'll finish the test drive here anyway. As I say, just remind you, please like and subscribe the YouTube channel. Click the bell if you want to be notified of future videos. I'm not sure what's going to be next. We've got an X6 coming in. We've got a Range Rover Sport, which is beautiful, and I shall be getting my backside in that. And so those are the next two anyway. So just all depending on the weather, whether we can get those videoed and on the website. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And honestly, if you buy this car, you'll love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.